Welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. So the Samsung next generation of OLED panels will reach a peak brightness of 2500 nits. The display should be equipped on iPhone 15 Pro Max on the top of the line Android models but not on Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung revealed in 2022 the E6 Super AMOLED OLED display, which features a peak brightness of 2000 nits and is equipped with a premium smartphone such as the iPhone 14 Pro Max and Xiaomi 13 Pro. Now leaker corner revealed that the company is working on its generation of screen, which will have the highest page brightness of a panel or smartphone. Brightness smartphone screen. The leaker claimed that the new generation of South Korean smartphone panels will have a big brightness of 2500 nits, a 25 improvement over the current generation model. This higher brightness should deliver an improvement in playback outdoors and also in the quality of content with HDR. Unfortunately, the leaker did not know when Samsung will launch the new display, but Samsung highlighted that another leaker called Shrimp Apple Pro claimed that this Apple should be used on iPhone 15 Pro Max, indicated that the screen will be released in the third quarter of 2023. According to Tipstar Corner, Samsung display next generation smartphone OLED panel can raise a peak brightness of a whopping 2500 nits. Reliable Apple tipster Apple Pro said that this new OLED panel could be used in the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which will be launched later this year, like the OLED E6 Super AMOLED. The future South Korean 2500 nit panel is also expected to be equipped on some Android devices later this year. Currently, some devices have the E6 model, with the highlighted being the Xiaomi 13 Pro, which will be launched globally on February 26. But according to the latest news, the new panel will not be used on the Galaxy S24 Ultra model. One of the surprises in the launch of the Galaxy S23 Ultra this year is that the module does not have the E6 Super display, with the module has a peak and brightness of just 1750 nits, and this will be one of the first Samsung models not to have the screen with the highest peak brightness among Android devices. Therefore, this is possible to believe that the company will maintain this new strategy with the next Galaxy S24 Ultra. It should receive the same 750 nit panel or the 2000 nit OLED E6 Super AMOLED. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.